Alvin, finally the time has come that we have been waiting and praying for. Feels so real for standing in front of you. It's a living testimony that all things are worth waiting for. From the day we met to this very moment.
Kapit ka lang sa akin, libutin natin mga bituin. Huwag ka nang mag-alanganin, dito ka lang at
magtinginan kayo, huwag kayo sa akin tumingin, baka sa akin kayo makasal.
I know ikaw na ang gusto kong makasama pa.
Doon na muna tayo sa sarili nating mundo, kung saan di magulo, pag-ibig ang magpapatak.
I am just amazed on how this beautiful love story of us were orchestrated.
Ay lilipad, lahat matutupad. Doon na muna tayo sa sarili nating mundo. At uulit-ulitin, paborito natin tutugin. Walang sawang awitin.
Salamat at dumating ka sa panahon na hindi ako handa. Pero alam ng Diyos na kailangan ng puso. Thank you for loving me the way you do. Your love understands me even at the most vulnerable moments.
Muna tayo sa sarili nating mundo, kung saan di magulo, pag-ibig ang nagpapatok. Oh, tayo ay lilipad, lahat matutupad. Doon na muna tayo sa sarili nating mundo.
Our first 2 years were really a struggle. But I really thank God dahil sa patience mo, you shaped me into who I am today.
Ay lilipad, lahat matutupad. Tayo ay lilipad, lahat matutupad. Doon na muna tayo sa sarili nating mundo.
Communication, Alvin and Cassie, is not only the ability to express oneself properly. It also inevitably includes one's ability to listen. Listening is a key to a strong marital relationship. Sa pamagitan ng pakikinig, you will be able to know each other well, kilalanin ang bawat isa araw-araw, know your partner's needs, know your partner's concerns and fears. Mahalaga ito. Demonstrate sincere interest in the thoughts and feelings of your spouse. Dorcas, kusang loob ka bang pumarito pang makipag-isa sa pag-ibig at paglilingkod kay Alvin bilang kanyang asawa habang kayo ay nabubuhay?
Bukas.
Kapag magulo ng mundo, ikaw ang payapang hinahanap-hanap ko.
Thank you for letting me grow and learn things on my own. Your support reminds me that I can make it despite of the challenges. I appreciate that you're embracing my flaws and imperfections, but also celebrates my improvements and strengths.
I don't have anything to give you. Wala akong anything. Wala akong assets. Wala akong malaking sahod. I need to build myself up first before asking permission to mommy to ask for your hand in marriage.
As I reflect in our relationship, all the beautiful moments, all the milestones, all the challenges, all the difficult ones, even the painful ones, are the things I will cherish for led us to this day.
ng mundo, ikaw ang payapang hinahanap-hanap ko. Patungo sa'yo ang aking tinig, at isa lang ang sinasabi ng pindig. Ika'y sasalubungin.
My timing is different. Our timing is different. Pero God's timing is the perfect one. He provided all the glory and blessings to our family to prepare us for this exact moment.
Kapag magulo ng mundo,
Today, I want to honor you as the man of the family. I will always here to support your dreams and goals. I will not love you just for who you are today, but for who you will grow to be tomorrow and every day after that. As we move to the next chapter of our life, I want you to know I am excited to run with you and do life with you together. I love you.
I am honored to present to you Mr. and Mrs.